Welcome back to our Tips and Tricks series, where we equip businesses with innovative technology solutions. Today, we will be exploring inventory valuation reports within NetSuite, an advanced tool that can revolutionize your inventory management approach. The Inventory Valuation Report in NetSuite provides a comprehensive overview of your stock value, cost, and profitability. By analyzing this report, you can make data-driven decisions to optimize your inventory levels and pricing strategies. Accessing real-time data enables swift identification of sluggish-moving items, surplus stock, and opportunities for cost reduction. These insights facilitate enhanced cash flow management and bolster overall operational efficiency. By leveraging these reports, you can optimize your stocking levels, identify trends, and streamline your supply chain processes. With SuiteMatrix IT solutions by your side, you can unlock the full potential of NetSuite's inventory valuation capabilities and drive business growth like never before. In this video, we're going to walk you through the Inventory Valuation Detail Report. This report highlights the transactions that impact the value of your inventory, making it super handy for troubleshooting any costing issues with your items. You'll see exactly which transactions are affecting your inventory assets. Navigate to Reports. Inventory Items. Inventory Valuation. Detail. The Inventory Valuation Detail window displays all relevant details of an inventory item. Under the transaction type, we can view invoices and item receipts. The Quantity section shows how much quantity has been taken for each transaction, and the Date section shows the date on which each transaction occurred. The Document Number section displays the document number for each transaction, while the Unit Value and Invoice Value sections show the respective values for each transaction. For this demonstration, I am selecting the Brocade 7800 extension switch. To get a detailed report of a particular transaction, click on the Customize button. This opens the Custom Inventory Valuation Detail page. Here, under the Edit Columns section, we can see fields such as item, date, document number, description, quantity, unit value, and invoice value, with their current values displayed. In the Add Fields section, we can add additional inventory items as needed. For this example, I am adding the transaction bin number and transaction serial and lot numbers. In the Filters column, we can further customize the report by adding an inventory item. I am adding the item name for my preference. Once the inventory item name displays in the pop-up screen, click on Done to confirm. This action will display the selected value in the corresponding column. Next, we check on the inventory item and enter a suitable name for the report in the name field. Then click on Save. The inventory valuation report for the selected item will display, showing the quantity, unit value, invoice value, transaction bin number, and transaction serial and lot numbers. To get a transaction report based on a specific date range, select the start date and end date. Then click on Refresh. The report will be updated with details based on our customizations. The Inventory Valuation Report summarizes the value of your inventory at a specific point in time, helping us to identify areas where we can potentially streamline our inventory management processes. Thank you for watching our video on utilizing inventory valuation reports in NetSuite. Contact SuiteMatrix IT Solutions today to unlock the complete potential of NetSuite for your business. Stay ahead of the competition with our innovative solutions. SuiteMatrix IT Solutions, your trusted partner in success.